5 were wise, 5 were foolish. The difference? The oil of his presence. The oil of his presence takes time. In the place of waiting, in the place of intimacy, when the other people of the world are going about, waiting on him is where you receive the oil. And do you know when the difference will be clear? At midnight, at the time where all strength is gone. They that waited on Lord, they that waited on the Lord will renew their strength. And it is the oil of his presence that brings the difference. So, are you waiting on him? Let's read the scripture together. God bless you for reading with me, beloved. Remember, your yes to the Lord is your altar. As you rebuild that altar, God will send down his fire. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. See ya.